What's cracking, everybody, man? Guess what we're doing today? I'm freaking going to check out a hooptie that my dad got, and I'm thinking about buying it. Save me a whole lot of money on gas, because this bitch takes about 50 freaking, not 50. If it's on like a quarter tank, it takes 50 to fill up, but it'd take about damn near freaking 60 bucks to fill up, 60, 70 bucks to fill up. So I'm gonna go look at this freaking car today and see what the heck I can do with it. But then I might be going to Buddy's house and shooting some shit. Apparently we got a washer and we're gonna fill it up with freaking Tannerite and blow that sumbitch up. I am excited. I ain't never seen freaking Tannerite. I'm ready to see what the sumbitch looks like. So I'm ready to blow something up. I ain't blowing nothing up in for freaking ever. I love blowing shit up. My dad's got a little cannon. It's like this freaking long, about that tall. It's a fun little bastard to shoot. We usually just wad it up with freaking paper just to make it go boom. Is Luna? Yep, she rides shotgun, ain't you? Ain't you pretty girl now? Get out my face, get out my face, Soda. Get out my face. No, no, no. But I looked at the freaking time and oh my god. I read dip 30, so we're gonna pack us a freaking fatty. Let me get my can of chow out. Copenhagen wintergreen, y'all, best dip there is. So we're gonna pack us a little fat one. It's unopened. Oh, she likes to freaking hang her head out the window, but we're going too fast, so she gonna do it. But she wants to. So we just cracked this sumbitch. Pack this sumbitch. PDF, pack that spit. Ugh. Oh yeah, let's pack us a fatty. Oh yeah. Look at that fat. There you go. Now we're gonna spit in. I have two choices right now. I can spit in the real tree, which I'm repping, or I can spit in the freaking. This badass freaking fishing one. I think I'm gonna do this one. But shoot, I can't wait till it gets freaking warmer. It's warm right now, it's 50 freaking degrees. So I can't wait till it gets like 60, because then we're gonna go catch some freaking fish. I don't care what kind, as long as they're freaking biting. I really want to catch the shit out of crappie this year, just so I can eat them all. I don't really like eating bass because I like catching them more than I like eating them. But crappie, I'll even catch them all freaking day long. No problem. But we're gonna freaking drive right now and catch you guys in a second and check out that hooptie. So we're just freaking around the corner of my dad's house. So freaking look at this damn gum hooptie. I'm ready to see what it looks like. Hopefully I can freaking buy it, because he said there wasn't really anything wrong with it. So it runs and it's got better gas mileage than this bitch. Well, pulling into the damn driveway now, so let's see if we can freaking see the hooptie. I'm ready to freaking look at it. Everywhere we go. Oh. Damn, he ain't even here. Oh my god, dog, this bitch is ugly as shit. Holy shit. That bitch is ugly. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Holy. This, yeah, he said it wasn't a looker. Holy shit. This bitch is ugly. Look at the dice. Oh my god. Freaking ridiculous. Yeah, this ain't pretty. This is my truck though. Need to put the damn transmission in it and then sheet mine. Freaking that cattle guard is from, that motherfucker's loose as shit. But that cattle guard is from my first truck that I ever had. So it's gonna hopefully do good for me. But back to this ugly son of a bitch. Oh god, and it's cracked right there. Look at that crack. Crack kills, damn it. Oh yeah. Look at this stupid fucking guard. That is stupid. That just looks dumb. But this sumbitch is definitely not a looker. Might be a hooker, but not a looker. Shit, I might pay for it though. Let's see if the freaking keys are in it. Oh, good God. Oh. Nope, keys ain't in it. Got a fire extinguisher though. Yeah, this bitch is ugly. Oh, let's go down this. Like a new car? Like a new car? Yeah. Bitch is ugly, but yeah, we'll do. Holy shit, I'm too big for this damn thing. Can't even move it back. Look at it. Oh my God. Oh, God dies. Definitely. Look at that old ass freaking stereo system. God. Hope it has AC. Got some reflectors in the freaking back. Oh yeah, this'll do. This'll do, as long as it's better gas mileage. It's fucking Chevy now. I fucking hate Chevy. Come on. But gonna wait on my dad to get back and then take her for a freaking test drive. Walking up to a freaking door, there's 3 freaking 30 packs just sitting right there. Sitting right there just chilling. I'm ready to freaking get this party going, man. What are you doing? Never mind. There's 4 30 packs. Fucking getting it for cutting deer. This is Dad, everybody. He's a dickhead. He don't know what to do with the camera in his face. You look like a little girl at school.
Get the son of a bitch out of my face. Anyway,
the freaking keys. Now we're about ready to fucking joyride a little bit. Got illegal tags on it, so hopefully a cop don't freaking catch me. Lily's ready to go bye-bye in it. So we're gonna see how this sumbitch runs. Apparently the fucking dome light's got dice in it. I don't know if that's true, but we're about to freaking check it out since it's got dice everywhere. Oh yeah. That sumbitch is hard to fucking get open. Oh. Where? Oh, it does look like it. A little bit. It does look like it a little bit.
What? Oh,
there's dice in it.
Well, probably will a lot more. Uh-oh.
Ruh-roh, Raggy. Pop the hood. So I gotta buy a battery now. That's what the motor looks like. And it says if anything goes wrong, he knows how to fucking fix it, since it's an old bastard like him. Fuck it, it's time to fucking pack a fatty. Pack another fatty. Same Copenhagen wintergreen. Dagger's trying to fuck her in the back seat.
Well, that's what a burrow ham is for.
Fucking idiot.
No, I don't know about the gas gauge. I don't know.
Okay. We don't know nothing about it.
Run very far.
Alright. If not, I'll call you. God damn it, Dagger!
Get that ass in the back seat of the burrow ham. Hi, Dag. Here, buddy. Oh, it's up underneath the dash.
Yeah, look at that blue light. I'm gonna put neons in this bitch. Alright, let's get it cracking. Get it cracking lacking. Oh my God. Oh yeah. I feel. Oh, it sounds good too. Oh yeah. See if she get up some ghosts, man. No, I don't know if I can roll down the window in the back seat, Mama. Ruh-roh. Bitch is on E, from what it looks like. Yeah! Freaking ride's smooth. Ride's real smooth. bet she'll do good on the highway. Windows don't roll down. Shit. Hold up. Oh, they do. Oh. Oh, they don't roll down very good though. Wow, get on in, me. Ah! Yeah! Yeah! Ready to roll. Fuel economy. I don't know what that means. Oh yeah, this sumbitch is getting, oh yeah. Rolling like 50 on a freaking gravel road and needs to slow the fuck down. Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna buy her, so. Shoot, I'm gonna bullshit with Dad a little bit more, and then we're gonna go freaking blow a damn washing machine up, so stay tuned for that. Alright, I'm gonna finish driving. Catch you guys in a second when I blow shit up.
Shoot high, don't shoot low. Shoot high on the dryer.
Oh shit, I thought you were Gabe. Fire in the hole, ladies and gentlemen.
Fire in the hole. Jam.
Oh, it jammed. Fuck. There we go. One more. Or two more. Yeah! This is what the sumbitch looks like. Yeah, we're fucking tearing it up. And then I fucking hit that right there. That hole. Up here like that. About as far as way we were. I hit that sumbitch right in the fucking middle. Now we're about to put Tannerite in this bitch. Mount the GoPro somewhere where hopefully the compression don't fuck it up. And get this sumbitch going. Getting that Tannerite. Getting it right. Oh shit. Oh yeah. It's gonna be fucking bad. Bad to the fucking bone. That's Jacob. He's a ladies' man. Let's get it going. Look at the freaking aftermath. That aftermath though. That's what I'm fucking. There's a motor. Oh yeah. Some bitch. So now we know what Tannerite does. Hell yeah. Hey everybody. So I had a freaking great day test driving that damn hooptie. And then shooting that freaking Tannerite, dude. That was freaking legit. So, if you guys like this freaking video, hit the thumbs up button. If you ain't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, man. I need subscribers. No, I'm just subscribe. It's alright. It's alright to subscribe to me. Sorry I'm stuttering a lot. But if you guys want to see me do more videos like this, then if you want to see me do videos of blowing shit up, let me freaking know in the comments below. And we'll catch you guys later.